guys, I just want to spend a few minutes going over the rules for this game. And in order to play this game, you need a partner. And what you're going to do is you and your partner are going to try, the goal is to make 3 or -3 with the fractions that are on the next slide. So you can read through these directions. They're on your Jamboard for you. But let's begin. I'm going to explain how it works. So each player, first of all, picks a color. So if I'm going to pick blue, I might want to start here on 1/8, and my partner might choose to start on 1/2. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm blue, I'm going to write on my paper 1/8, and my partner is going to write 1/2. Okay? Now, each person is going to take turns moving their counter along a line. So if I'm blue, I can move down here to 2/4. I can move across to 1/2, or I can move along this line to -1/4. Okay, oops, sorry, that was -2/4. So let's say I choose to go to -2/4. So now I'm going to combine those values, okay? 1/2 plus -2/4, okay? So to do that, I'm going to have 1/8 plus negative. I got to make this into a fraction with common denominators. So -4/8, and that gives me -3/8. Now my partner is going to take a turn and take their counter, and they can move either to 1/8, 3/4, or 3/8. Okay, so let's say my partner chooses to go to 3/4. Now my partner on their paper is going to write 1/2 plus, oops, sorry about that, 1/2 plus 3/4. Okay. All right. Now, my partner is going to choose to do it up and down. So we need to make common denominators. 2 plus 3, that's 5/4. So far my partner is a little closer to 3 with 1 1/4. Okay. Then it's my turn. So then I get to move mine. Here, well, I can't go back to 1/8. I have to go to a new fraction every time. Okay, unless I've used them all, then I can go back and repeat. Okay, so you do not need to do your work on the Jamboard. You can do it on a piece of scratch paper, but I would recommend also, if you're doing your scratch work, to also do your partner's, just to do some double checking and make sure that they have done their computations correctly. Once you've finished and someone has won, then you go on to the next slide, and each of you are going to choose a Post-it or a sticky note, and you are going to write your strategies. Okay, and if you were blue, you're going to put it on a blue sticky note, and if you were red, you're going to put yours on the pink sticky note, or pink, you're going to put on the pink sticky note, and you're each going to have your strategies on your Post-it. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. We'll go over this again in class, but have some fun. I can't wait to see your strategies.